In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to use the virtual stations tool in OceansMap. So if I open this virtual station tool, you can see this drawer populate on the left. So we can add a single new station with this button. The user can customize the name, the description, the marker color. The user can manually input the latitude and longitude, or they can click this set location with map click, and they can click anywhere on the map, and that sets the lat and long. And the user can save that, and when they go back they can see this virtual station now populates in this section here. The user can toggle that station on and off here. They can go back and edit the station with that button. They can delete, and they can change the view of OceansMap to center at that particular station. The user can quickly add multiple stations. If they're on a transit from point A to point B, they can set pins along that transit, can save those, and then edit each one individually as needed. They can search, so if there's a lot of virtual stations, they can search for a specific one. They can export this list, so if the user wanted to save these virtual stations for later or send to a colleague, this export button will create a CSV. And similarly, they can also import a CSV file, which will import these virtual stations and populate this list with them here. The user can also enable this multi-select tool. So if they would like to delete several stations at once, they don't have to go through and do that one at a time. They can just use that multi-select tool.